Night falls and the shadows come to dance. On the empty streets, ghosts roam, pumpkins glow, smiles of terror. It's Halloween in Brazil. Horror has arrived. On the dark corners, I hear footsteps on the ground. Lost whispers that chill the heart. Come hide or face what's there, because the creatures of the night are about to awaken. Haunted night, don't try to escape. It's Halloween, let's all celebrate. Ghosts and witches, come have fun, but be careful of what might not appear. Children run, asking for trick or treat, while in the sky, shadows and madness fly. The full moon shines bright and endless, shedding its mystery over the garden. Doors creak, the winds blow, strange figures begin to arrive. In Brazil it's like this, in the heat or the cold, Halloween will be scary and dark. Haunted night, don't try to escape. It's Halloween, let's all party. With ghosts and witches, come have fun, but be careful of what might not appear. Haunted night, don't try to escape. It's Halloween, let's all celebrate. With ghosts and witches, come have fun, but be careful of what might appear. Children light, don't try to escape. It's Halloween, let's all party. With ghosts and witches, come have fun, but be careful of what might appear. Children run, asking for trick or treat, while in the sky, shadows and madness fly. The full moon shines bright and endless. Be careful